Discover. Discover the world. Let the waves accompany your steps together. In every town, among its people. Discover its laughter and learn to communicate in its language. Learn to listen to its sounds, to its own music. Taste its flavors. Share with the world the smell of today. And find out new ways to see it. To dream it. Discover the old. Experiment with the future. Discover the world. Because the world is waiting for you. To be a part of it. Because you have a lot to offer. Ionian University. Discover the world. Discover your own tomorrow.